guys, and you're welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and beauty educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're a makeup artist interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below telling me what topics of makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. Today, I thought we'd have some makeup artist gist while I apply some makeup. So in this video, we'll be chatting about some of the struggles that only makeup artists will understand and how you can avoid these struggles. So let's get into it. One struggle that only makeup artists will understand is miscommunication with clients. Irrespective of the type of makeup artist you are, irrespective of if you're a celebrity makeup artist, editorial makeup artist, freelance makeup artist, bridal makeup artist, and so on, it can be really easy to miscommunicate with your clients and vice versa. A good example is maybe a client talking about the kind of look that she'd like you to do for her, and maybe you didn't quite understand the brief, or maybe she just didn't explain it clearly. But whatever the case may be, the final look turns out to not be quite what the client was going for or what she wanted. So a good example of this is the client coming in and saying she wants a natural look. And as a makeup artist, you go ahead and apply natural looking makeup on your client, only for the client to be unhappy with the look because that wasn't what she necessarily had in mind. The funny thing is that I've also had this happen to me with a client. She came in, told me she wanted a natural makeup look. Nothing extra or out there. She just wanted to look like herself. I said, great. As someone who's been doing makeup for more than 10 years now, I understand what natural makeup means and what it should look like. So I did her makeup, and at the end of our session, she looked in the mirror and said, "Oh, this is looking too natural for me. Could you change this up? Could you change that up?" So it's either she didn't articulate what she needed clearly, or I didn't quite understand what she wanted from me. Because in my mind, I did everything she asked for, and to her, I didn't quite hit the mark, all because there was some miscommunication between the both of us. But at the end, I adjusted the look to her liking, and she was happy with it. So the best way to avoid miscommunication in your makeup artistry and as a makeup artist would be to communicate clearly to your clients. Break down details as much as possible so that whatever it is you look to do or achieve with your client's makeup look is clearly understood by both you and your clients. It's always important to ask clients what type of makeup look they are going for. But in order to get a better understanding of what your client wants, you can take it a step further by asking them maybe to provide an inspiration picture. That will help you have a visual understanding of the kind of makeup look that they are looking to get. And even with inspiration pictures provided, you can still also go another step further and ask them exactly what they like about the makeup in the inspiration picture. So this will help you really break down what the client likes about the inspiration picture. Because sometimes clients would like maybe the skin makeup in an inspiration picture or maybe the eye makeup and not necessarily every single thing about the makeup look. So just to be very clear, you can ask them, okay, what about this picture do you like? Is it the brows? Is it the eyeliner? So that way you really are very clear on what the client really likes and what she really wants for her makeup look. Another struggle that only makeup artists will understand is the client booking for a particular makeup service while actually doing something else. A good example of this, because this has been a hot topic on social media for a while now, is a client booking for regular makeup while she actually has the intention of using it for her wedding day. So instead of the client going straight to it and maybe booking for bridal makeup, she goes ahead instead to book for regular makeup. And it's crazy because I've also had this happen to me many years ago, where a client called me up. She inquired about my makeup services, then she booked for regular home service. She said she was going for an event so that I should come to the house and do her makeup. On the day of, I packed up my kids, went to her home, started doing her makeup. It wasn't until I was almost done with the makeup that I realized that she was getting ready for her traditional wedding. I think someone around just let it slip up. And that was when I realized that it was actually her wedding day. Another example of how clients can be deceptive with their bookings is when someone contacts you, the makeup artist, to be part of, say, a collaboration. They agree to be part of this collaborative project only to go on set or to the location of the job to find out that every other creative is being paid for their services except you, the makeup artist. So the best way to avoid being taken advantage of in your makeup artistry and as a makeup artist is to have a contract in place that clearly stipulates some do's and don'ts for your clients. That way, it discourages deceptive bookings in your makeup business. And even if you have clients that try to be deceptive or are deceptive with their bookings, there'll be consequences for those actions. So this way, you're not losing any money as a makeup artist, and your makeup artistry is always protected. Another struggle that only makeup artists will understand is no-show clients. Have you ever had a client reach out to you to book a makeup appointment? She asks if a particular time and date is available. You say yes. She says, great, I'd love to book for that space. Then you go ahead to put her down for that time and date, and you close off that date to other clients. Now, fast forward to the client's appointment date. She doesn't show up. You get in touch, maybe you call, text, still nothing. Time goes by and the client is a no-show. And if you didn't protect your makeup business and your makeup artistry correctly, you would have lost out on money because this client didn't show up for her makeup appointment. Now, the best way to avoid losing out on money as a makeup artist and in your makeup artistry, if your client for whatever reason doesn't show up for a makeup appointment, is by having a booking deposit. This is the fee that clients must pay to secure a particular time and date for their makeup appointments. With this in place, you'll find that you have less no-show makeup appointments, and even if you do, you're not necessarily losing any money in your makeup artistry. Another struggle that only makeup artists understand is clients ghosting. If you're a makeup artist and you've not experienced clients ghosting you, are you really a makeup artist? So what is client ghosting? This is when potential clients or people make inquiries about your makeup services, and when you get back to them with a response, you never hear from them again. For example, since I'm a bridal makeup artist, a bride-to-be can get in touch with me, ask about my bridal makeup services and my rates. I send my rate card over to the client or to the person making the inquiries, and the next thing, it's crickets, silence. Some even go as far as asking additional questions and getting additional information, all to go silent on you. So how do you avoid clients ghosting you as a makeup artist? The long and short answer is you cannot. It's all part of the process. It comes with the territory of being a makeup artist. Clients are always shopping, and you can't necessarily control how they shop. A lot of factors go into which makeup artist they finally book. So it can be a price factor, it can be a skill set factor, it can be a preference factor. Whatever the case may be, though, it is just what it is. The best thing that you can do as a makeup artist is work to keep elevating your craft, and the right clients will find you. And the first step to grow as a makeup artist is to build a functional makeup kit for your makeup artistry. A makeup kit that has everything that you need in your makeup artistry, so that you can easily do makeup on different skin tones, different skin textures, and always produce stunning results on your clients every time. I have a free makeup kit building guide for makeup artists that shows you exactly how to build the best makeup kit for your makeup artistry, as well as the exact makeup products that you should add to your pro makeup kit. Get your free makeup kit building guide from the description box below. Click the link below to grab yours for free. Feel free to share this video with other makeup artists or aspiring makeup artists. Leave a comment below telling me what struggles you think makeup artists have. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for hanging with me, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.